So somewhere in the middle of all that, the UX folks really got some recognition. I think in the early 2000s, UX was somewhere between QA and test. And then slowly during the recession did UX start rising, and now it's become the behemoth of the room. So I sort of looked at this timeline with the three I's in mind. So with that, the big question. So for everybody, I'll do a definition. Augmented reality, virtual reality, mixed reality, extended reality, real reality, AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. And so before I asked the panelists, I did a little slide for you to help give some framework to this. I actually pulled this slide from online, and this guy, Avi, out of Israel, is really great. So anyway, this could maybe paint a perspective of VR artificially replaces all aspects of real reality. AR places images over your real reality. And then, of course, mixed reality, the objects in your environment appear real. So at the end of the day, people now moving forward are thinking about XR. It's all extended reality, which is all the above. So to give some context to this so it makes sense, these are the companies, and you guys chime in if you feel like this is out of order or things are upside down, but that's kind of the consensus at 2 o'clock in the morning I came to, like, here's where we're at as the state of affairs. So panelists, why are you using any immersive technologies?